Good morning students. Welcome in SST class. Today in SST class we will discuss our chapter our food. India is a big country. It has a large variety of food. In India, in different state, people eat different kind of food. Do you know why people living in different part of India eat different kind of food? The reason is that the food we grow depends upon three factors. Number one is landform. The food we grow depend upon three factors. First factor is landform. Type of landform. Type of landform. In India, different type of landforms are found. For example, at some places mountains are found. In Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal, you see mountains. Rajasthan is a desert area, and Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi and Assam lies in the plain area. So beta, in India different type of landforms are available. That's why different type of food are grown. Second is climate of a place. Second is climate of a place. Climate of a place depend on the landform. Climate of a place depend on a landform. For example, in mountain area, climate is cold. माउंटेन एरिया में क्लाइमेट कोल्ड होती है. आप लोग गर्मियों की छुट्टियों में जब माउंटेन एरिया जाते हो तो वहां पर आपको क्लाइमेट कूल मिलती है ना. सो बेटा, इन माउंटेन एरिया क्लाइमेट इज कूल. In desert area, days are hot and nights are cold. And in plain area like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, summers are very hot and winters are very cold. So, climate of a place also play important role in crops we grow. And third is type of soil. Third is type of soil. Dear students, in India different type of soil is found. For example, in mountain area the soil is rocky. In desert area sand is found. It means sandy soil is available. And in plain area like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, land is very fertile because these land is formed by the rivers. बेटा, पंजाब और हरियाणा की ज़मीन बहुत उपजाऊ है, इसलिए जो फसलें हैं यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छी होती हैं. In this way, बेटा, three factors play very important role in growing of food crops. Type of landform, climate of a place and type of soil. Beta, these are the reason that's why farmers in India produce different kinds of food crops, pulses, fruits and vegetable in depending upon their region. This is the reason. Now we will learn about food crops. Food crops. Beta, look at this. What is this? What is this? This is rice. Beta, rice, the crop of rice need large amount of water. That's why rice is grown in the state which receive good amount of rainfall. For example, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Punjab and Haryana. Beta, rice is grown. Look at this. All of you love to eat rice. And beta, in coastal area कोस्टल एरिया मीन्स वो इलाके जो समुद्र के पास होते हैं. पीपल मेनली ईट राइस एंड फिश. वहां के लोग ज्यादातर क्या खाते हैं? राइस और फिश खाते हैं. लुक एट दिस बेटा, इट इज wheat. Look at this. It is wheat. Wheat is staple food. Staple food means main food, main khana. Beta, wheat is staple food of people living in plain area. Plain area means वो इलाके जहाँ की जमीन बिल्कुल फ्लैट है, like पंजाब, हरियाणा, उत्तर प्रदेश, असम and दिल्ली. बेटा, दिस इज द मेन फूड ऑफ पीपल. गेहूं से, गेहूं को इसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं गेहूं. इसको पीस कर इसका आटा बनाया जाता है एंड देन योर मदर कुक chapatis and parathas. And all of you love to eat parathas. Look at this. It is wheat. Next is maize. Look at this. It is maize. Makki. Beta, it is maize. Beta, maize. Punjab is also famous for makki ki roti and sarson ka saag. Punjab is also famous for makki ki roti and sarson ka saag. Look at this. It is jowar. Look at this. These small seeds. Beta, this is jowar. ये क्या है? ज्वार. And what is this? It is bajra. What is this? It is bajra. Beta, people living in desert area. It means people living in Rajasthan in India. Beta, take ज्वार, bajra and beta maize along with wheat. Along with wheat. Beta, people of Rajasthan eat jowar, bajra, maize and wheat. Beta, jowar and bajra are grown in Rajasthan because climate of Rajasthan is suitable for growing jowar and bajra. Pulses. Look at this. Beta, pulses. Pulses are very beneficial for us. Look at this. It is urad dal and it is chana dal. Beta, pulses are very beneficial for us. They are rich source of protein and vitamin. And in India, people take pulses with rice or chapatis. Now we will learn about fruits and vegetables. All of us know that fruits and vegetables are very good for us. Some fruits and vegetables are available throughout the year. Which fruits and vegetables are available throughout the year? Any guesses? Yes. Beta, potato, onion are the vegetables that are available throughout the year. And in the same way, beta, banana. Banana is available throughout the year. But some fruits and vegetables are not available throughout the year. For example, beta, in winter season, we eat apples, but in summer season not. In the same way, beta, in summer season we eat mango, the king of fruits. We eat melon, watermelon, lychee, but these fruits are not available in winter season. In the same way, beta, peas and carrot are the vegetable we eat in winter season, and bottle gourd and ladyfinger are the vegetable we eat in summer season. Beta, those fruits and vegetables that are not available throughout the year, but they are available in particular season only, are called seasonal fruits and vegetables. It means वो फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल जो हमें पूरे साल नहीं मिलते, सिर्फ हमें एक स्पेशल सीजन में, जैसे समर के फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल जो हमें सिर्फ समर में मिलते हैं, विंटर में नहीं मिलते, और कुछ फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल होते हैं जो हमें विंटर में मिलते हैं, समर में नहीं मिलते. दे आर कॉल्ड सीजनल fruits and vegetable. Now we will learn about oil and spices. Beta, Indian food is very tasty. Indian food is very tasty, beta, and we cook our food with oil and spices. We cook our food with the help of oil and spices. Beta, oil. We get oil from oil seeds. Now you are thinking what are oil seeds? आप सोच रहे होंगे कि oil seeds क्या होते हैं? Oil seeds, बेटा, seeds that are grown to get edible oil are called oil seeds. वो seeds जो हमें खाने वाला तेल देते हैं, ठीक है, खाने वाला ऑयल देते हैं, they are called oil seeds. बेटा, इंडिया प्रोड्यूस सनफ्लावर ऑयल, मस्टर्ड ऑयल, ग्राउंडनट ऑयल, मूंगफली का तेल, एंड बेटा तिल ऑयल. बेटा, यू हैव सीन दिस बॉटल इन योर किचन. आपने अपनी किचन में ये बॉटल देखी होगी, ठीक है. योर मम्मा कुक फूड विद द हेल्प ऑफ ऑयल. बेटा, स्पाइसेस. बेटा, इंडिया स्पाइसेस मीन्स क्या होता है? मसाले. हम कहते हैं ना कई बार खाना बहुत स्पाइसी है, मतलब बहुत मसालेदार है. बेटा, इंडिया इज फेमस फॉर स्पाइसेस सिंस एंशिएंट टाइम, एंड केरला इज कॉल्ड द लैंड ऑफ स्पाइसेस. बेटा, स्पाइसेस ऐड फ्लेवर एंड कलर टू आवर फूड. Spices add flavor and color to our food. India. Let's study about different spices. These are the various spices used in Indian kitchen. Now we will learn about them. It is cinnamon. It is cinnamon. It is a spice that is made from inner bark of tree. That is made from inner bark of a tree. It lowers cholesterol and blood sugar. These sticks can be ground to form cinnamon powder. Next is turmeric. It contains curcumin and has inflammatory effect. It is also antibiotic. Next is fenugreek. It reduces blood sugar level and it is used in Indian pickle, especially in mango pickle. It is used. Next is garlic. It is helpful in reducing cholesterol and blood sugar. In Indian dishes, it is mostly used. Ginger. In Hindi, it is called adrak. It treats nausea and cough. It reduces muscle pain. It lowers cholesterol level. In winter, it is specially used in tea. Student, these are bay leaves. Bay leaves are rich source of vitamin A and C. It is useful in treatment of migraine. It also prevents cancer and boosts immunity. It is black pepper. It is used for digestion, control blood pressure, prevent cancer, and good for your hairs. Look at this. It is black pepper powder. Next is cardamom. It aids digestion, may treat bad breath. It acts as a mouth fresher and prevent cavities. We use it in tea, preparation of various sweet dishes like kheer and custard. We used in the preparation of kheer, custard, ice cream, etc. Next is cloves. It helps in fighting oral diseases. It contains nutrients like vitamin C and iron, which boost immunity. Cumin. In Hindi, it is called jeera. It improves digestion and builds strong bones. That's why cumin is used almost all the Indian dishes. After roasting, cumin powder is also used in curd. Next is fennel. It cures upset stomach, prevent gas and improve our eyesight. It has also great fragrance. Observe the fragrance of fennel. Next is saffron. It is most expensive spice in the world. It have cancer fighting properties. It is also effective in cold and fever. It is produced in Kashmir in India.
What?
Homework time. Go to your kitchen and identify these spices. Thank you and have a nice day.